Okay, say hi. Oh, you just said you wanted to say hi. Say hi. Zoe wants to say hi. Hi, Zoe Lynn. Hi, Zoe. Are you looking up at the fan? Stevie the ceiling fan? Yeah. What are you doing? You goofy girl. You goofy girl. Can you say bye now? Say it again. Zoe Lynn. Hi, Missy Missy. You're goofy. You're goofy. Can you sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allie. Happy birthday to you. To Madison?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you say bye now? Okay, go kiss to Auntie Molly.
Yeah.
Go kiss. You're silly. Love you, Molly. Can you say love you, Papa? No? Can you say love you, Shani?
Yeah.
Say it. Say it. Good one. Can you say love you, Ellie?
Well,
Can you say love you, Libby?
Yeah.
You say it.
Ollie.